Happy Halloween! Although I know it's probably not so happy for you, I wanted to make this video to help you during the Halloween and holiday season. Because I know that Halloween candy's everywhere. You've got it at your house, your kids are bringing it home, it's at work, it's in every little bowl you pass, and it's probably really hard to stay away from. So I created a tapping script just for Halloween candy that we're actually going to do together in this video. So if you want to save this video so that you can keep using it over and over the next few days that you're going to have a bunch of Halloween candy in your house, click the share button and it will save this to your wall so that you always know where it is when you can come back to it and tap with it at any time. All right, so Halloween, I know, look, this is what my parents did when we were kids. My parents, and maybe, I don't know, maybe this is not the best strategy for your family, but we got to pick as many pieces of candy as we were years old, and that's how much candy we got, and the rest went to the poor people with my father, which AKA was actually his office and himself. But we felt like we were doing a really good job giving it to poor people, or people that didn't have as much as we did, and also my parents had a way to get it out of the house, or at least my mother did. So anyway, I don't know if that's helpful. If you have kids, it was fine for us. We didn't even notice that the candy was gone. I realized that they've had the strategy from the beginning, so if you haven't had that with your kids, it might be a little bit more difficult, but that's just a quick little tip to try to get the Halloween candy out of your house. And I also want to tell you that this actually creates a great opportunity to tap through some of your food cravings. So if you're a student of mine and you know how to use the ball of light technique, do it on every single candy that is triggering you. Now is the perfect time, because you know once you do the ball of light, you're never going to have the same relationship with that food ever again. I did this once with my father. He was craving Baby Ruths and Snickers bars, and we did these two things. I think it was around Halloween, and again, he's never craved those things ever again. So if you're a student, you know how powerful this stuff is. And if you're not a student, I'm going to walk you through a technique right now that will help you lower those cravings significantly, hopefully completely. All right, so starting with the karate chop, let's just go ahead and start tapping through the points. So repeat after me. Even though I am so tempted by all the Halloween candy, I choose to forgive myself. And I switch it up. If you're new to tapping, you see me tapping on different sides. That's just because you can tap on either side, and either side is fine. So again, tuning into your desire for this Halloween candy, okay? So you want to make sure that your desire is super, super high. Even though I'm so tempted by all the Halloween candy, I choose to feel calm and relaxed around it. Even though there is so much Halloween candy everywhere, I choose to feel calm and relaxed. All right, and then tapping through the points, there is so much candy everywhere. I want to eat it all. I can't stop thinking about it. It's so tempting. This is so bad. I'm so bad for wanting all these sweets. Now tune into your shame here. You can kind of feel the shame, right? We always feel guilty, like, oh, I shouldn't want these sweets. I shouldn't be eating them. Oh, I feel so bad. All right, so really feel the shame here. Under the arm, but it's just so good. I can't control myself. I feel so out of control around sweets. They're just laying around everywhere. I can't stop thinking about all this candy. Even when I have one piece, I want to have another and another. It's not okay. I shouldn't be eating this. I totally judge myself for eating like this. I'm so out of control. It's not okay. I'm not okay. I'm so bad for eating all this candy. All right, take a nice deep breath here. And the thing that I forgot to have you do when we started this video is rate your desire and your sugar cravings on a scale from 0 to 10. All right, so just right now that we've done that first round of tapping, kind of tune into your desire for the Halloween candy again. Just get a sense of it and notice what your desire for it is now. What is your number now on a scale from 0 to 10? And then once you have that number, let's continue tapping. I choose to forgive myself. I choose to know that my cravings for sweets are just a craving. I choose to know that my cravings for sweets are a craving to take care of myself. I don't have to act on this craving. But it's so hard. It's just an attempt to take care of myself. Because the truth is, I'm stressed. I'm overwhelmed. There's a lot going on. And these sweets really help me feel good. So I choose to forgive myself for wanting these sweets. Because what I really want is to be sweet to myself. So I choose to do something sweet for myself right now. Like take a bath. I can book myself a massage. Or give myself permission to not do some of the things on my to-do list. I could choose to give myself a break. I can choose to be easy with myself. I can reward myself for just being me. Not because I did anything special, just for being the person I am right now. Each day I'm loving myself more and more. And I choose to be calm and relaxed around these sweets. All right, so take another nice deep breath. Now go back and notice your desire for the Halloween candy on a scale from 0 to 10. Now, if you have any desire, like I would say if your desire is a 3 or above, watch this video again from the beginning. Do the tapping, the same tapping, just start it over from the beginning and get it down to at least a 1 or a 0. I like zeros. If it's a 0, it tends to not come back. Again, if you're craving something in particular, like if the Reese's peanut butter bars are like the only thing that you're like just going crazy over, that means you'll probably need to use the ball of light technique, or just do the same tapping that we just did, but just focus on that one specific food rather than all the sugar, all the candy. Okay, so this is getting a little bit more technical, but I just really want you to have results because I don't want you to struggle. I know the holidays are starting. This is a really stressful time. I want you to know that I'm definitely going to be here for you. I'm definitely going to make tons of these types of videos that will help you get through the holidays, that will help you with tapping, that will alleviate the stress and help you hopefully not overeat. So again, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends. And if you want to come back to this video again, push the share button. It'll save it to your wall and then you'll always know where it is. All right. Have a very, very happy Halloween. Be safe and I will talk to you soon. Bye.